In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy QuickBooks online 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to choose, and how to get set up with confidence. First, open a modern browser and head to the official QuickBooks online website. Make sure you're on the genuine Intuit domain, not a reseller or an ad landing page. If you see regional options, select the country that matches your business, so pricing, taxes, and features display correctly. Next, decide which plan fits your business. QuickBooks Online typically offers tiers that differ by the number of users and features. Think about what you need today and over the next year. How many people will need access, whether you want to track bills, projects, and inventory, or if you'll need advanced reporting and automation. Consider whether you'll add payroll or payments later, since those are usually separate add-ons. Take a moment to compare monthly versus annual pricing and check for promotions. Also note that some discounts apply only if you skip the trial. When you're ready, pick your plan and select either Buy Now or Free Trial. If you're testing the waters, the trial lets you explore the software risk-free. If you already know what you need and want to lock in a promotional price, Buy Now is the quicker route. You can typically try it free for 30 days before paying, but always review the details on the page for your region so you know when billing will begin. You'll be prompted to create an Intuit account. Use a work email you control, create a strong, unique password, and keep recovery options current. If two-step verification is available, enable it to protect your financial data. You may be asked to verify your email or device before moving on. Next, enter your payment information on the secure checkout page. Confirm the plan, the promotional rate period, and the renewal price. Ensure your billing address matches your payment method. If you chose a free trial, you won't be charged until the trial ends, but you'll still see the billing terms. Take a moment to read the cancellation policy. Save your confirmation for your records. Finally, set up your company. Enter your business name, industry, and basic details, so QuickBooks can suggest a starting chart of accounts. Choose your home currency, time zone, and the month your fiscal year begins. You can import customers, vendors, and products later if you're not ready now. Follow the guided setup to personalize your experience, and remember that most choices can be adjusted afterward. That's it. Your purchase is complete and your company file is ready to go. Happy bookkeeping.